Hey, what's up guys? In this video, I'll show how to turn $10 into $100 per day passively. Stay tuned for more. We show the list some trick you can make $100 per day passively, guys. We use some strategy, guys, that is called print and demand, guys. If you don't know what is a print and demand means printing a technology and business process in which is book copy or not printed until the company receive an order, guys. It's a simple Wikipedia page, guys. If you don't know what is print and demand, I think everybody knows about print and demand. It's a simple business process, guys. Once you get an order, then only you can get paid to pay the company like Printful or Printify and receive the order from your customer and paid the Printful company, and the Printful company send the order to the customer, guys. It's a simple process. This process is so popular, guys, because you don't need to inventory, guys. So this is the simple process. You can make turn $10 into $100 per day passively, guys. And without any further ado, guys, let's dive into the strategy, guys, and we show how you can make $10, guys. If not impossible, you may think, but it's possible, guys. I show the little trick and the best strategy. You can make some good amount of money with this, guys. And first, we gonna use the website is called ebay.com, guys. Yes, guys, the ebay.com, you can get a print on demand on eBay, guys, but it's not possible. You may think, guys, but it's possible. I show the trick. You can get easily without, you can make money without any inventory, guys. Okay, guys, this is the eBay. You probably know eBay is a buy and selling company like Amazon. This is eBay company, guys. Once you come to eBay company, you must to create your eBay account, guys, and just click sign up, guys. I already create, so it's put my name, guys. Just click sign up, and once you sign up, you just create your seller account, guys. It's simple process, guys. Let's show how you can turn $10, guys. First you need $10, guys. This is the main important thing. Once you get a $10, it's a simple process, guys. If you don't $0, guys, if you don't have a $0, you can go watch my videos, guys. I show how you can make some little capital and invest the capital to this business and get $200 per day passively, guys. And go to the subscription seller account. This is the subscription piece, guys. Just I show how it's work, guys. This is the subscription fees. Wait a second, guys. Okay, guys, this is the subscription fees. Highly recommended basic plan, guys, if you are $22 almost. But I like in this sake of video, I just showed how to make $10 into $100 per day passively, guys. First, just to create a started account, guys. Just to $5 a month, guys. This is the easy method. Just to create a $5 per month, and I show how you can put a print on demand on eBay, guys, without hold any inventories, and you can make some good amount of money with this, guys. This is a simple process. Just to create a seller account on eBay, guys. Just with the starter pack, but if you have a good amount of capital, just to go with basic, guys. And the starter is also for don't have, also for who have don't have some capital amount. Just to put $5 in front, guys. This is the $5, guys. Our remaining budget another $5, guys. Show how you can go to next level and make some good amount of money or $100 per day passively, guys. And this is the first step. Just to come out to the eBay and create your seller account with this package, guys, starter package. Once you create and go to this printful.com eBay integration, guys. Okay, guys, yes, Printful is integrated with eBay, guys. You may all seen Printful integrated with some other e-commerce Shopify like that, guys. But all in this video, for now, Printful is already integrated with eBay, guys. You just easily create a t-shirt, print on demand t-shirt, and sell it on eBay, guys. Why you choose eBay, guys? Because eBay is lots of search volume, guys, like Amazon. You don't need to go to Facebook ads and publish your ad and wait for a advertiser, wait for a customer and get paid, guys. Because don't need any issue, guys. Because this video I show the eBay, guys. eBay has a lots of traffic free, guys. Traffic, you can easily put a listing on eBay and get some lots of sales with eBay guys, because eBay has lots of traffic and you can get paid some good amount of money guys. Come out to Printful guys. I leave a link below guys if you don't know how to come out with this website guys. And this is how does it work guys. Getting started with eBay, and create or register your eBay account guys. It's get free guys, but I highly recommend go to basic plan. If you don't have any big amount of capital, go with starter plan guys, because it's $5. In the sake of video I show the $10 to make $100 per day passively guys. Go with starter pack and create a eBay seller account and connect your eBay account with your PayPal guys. If you have a PayPal account, connect with. If you don't have a PayPal account, go to PayPal account, create a PayPal account guys. This is a simple process. Just to create a PayPal account and get sign up and integrate with eBay guys. Next is create your Printful account guys. It's also simple guys. Just to sign up and log in into your Printful account and connect it with eBay guys. Just simple, and add and sync your product guys, and I show how it's work guys. Just come out to this and connect your eBay store guys. Just to show how you can connect eBay store. If you have a already Printful user, and click sign in guys, and if you don't have a Printful account, click sign up and automatically to the sign up guys. Or watch this some little tutorial guys, simple tutorial. Watch this tutorial fully and you can get understand guys. Just I pause it because some copyrighted issue. Watch this tutorial and get inspiration or get any idea to connect the eBay stores with your Printful account guys. It's a simple process. and if you don't any skills about printing a t-shirt, and I recommended to go Pinterest guys. This is the best source for inspiration guys, and search t-shirt design and you can get some good amount of t-shirt design guys, and get inspired with this t-shirt design and make your own t-shirt design and get paid guys. This is the simple t-shirt and good looking t-shirt design, and get some good amount of sales with this t-shirt design guys. Just to see guys, this is a good t-shirt like this, like good t-shirt design guys, and come to Pinterest and get inspired and create your own t-shirt guys. Just a simple t-shirt design that appealing more and more on customers, on people, and get some and drive some lots of sales, and get some good amount of traffic and make you money guys. And come to Pinterest.com and make your own design. That's a simple design. You can make some good amount of design with this guys, and click also graphic T design. There is lots of way guys. There is lots of way graphic design and make some good amount of money with this guys. And like I said, you can make some good amount of money, and I also show the another method you can make some little more money guys. That is a Shopify affiliate program guys. This is not any like Shopify dropshipping guys. If you want Shopify dropshipping, leave a comment below guys. I started how to make money with Shopify dropshipping in 2020 or beyond guys. This is a simple method in Shopify, and for the sake of video I recommended Shopify affiliate guys, because once you referral setup sign up your Shopify account, you get $58 per each sign up guys. This is a simple process, and you may ask how I can get some traffic guys, because you had a $10. Just to go to Facebook ad or go to any Instagram influencer and get shouted with the $10 guys, because some micro influencer have some tight budget, so they can post with minimum budget guys. Go find those influencer and get some $58 guys. Or if you want always free guys, go to youtube.com guys. This is a simple method. Go to youtube.com and create a Shopify tutorial or anything like that guys, and with a Shopify tutorial, and leave a link your affiliate program guys. The simple method, leave a link in affiliate program, easy money guys. Just to go to youtube.com like I said and search Shopify guys. Simple, search Shopify and get some good amount of money with your Shopify account guys. This is the way people are creating Shopify accounts for affiliate program guys, and people are making some good amount of money with this guys. And like I said, you can turn your $10 into $100 per day passively guys, without any intention. Just to create a eBay account and connect to the Printful and get some inspiration with Pinterest guys. This is simple. There is lots of inspiration around the Pinterest guys. because t-shirt design and e-commerce is the next future, guys. Future, not next future, guys. And I hope you this video helps you a lot to make $100 per day passively with your $10, guys. Okay guys, I hope this video helps you a lot to make some money. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button, like, share, and feel free to comment below, guys. Okay guys, I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Make money online. Peace.